First off, no disrespect to the small creators who've been making videos telling you that YouTube is on easy mode or this is how you get views on YouTube. No disrespect to you guys. But everybody else, I don't know why nobody's talking about this, man. Like, I've watched all the videos that you guys have watched. I've watched all the small creators who blowing up now, who's telling you how to blow up, telling you YouTube is on easy mode, telling you this is how you get views. I watch them all. I watch them all, and I appreciate you guys posting that video and getting to that next level. That's real motivational. That's extremely motivational. You know, me, I haven't figured out a way to get all the views on YouTube. You know, I put in my work. Go look at my channel. I've carved out a specific area of the car world, and I did my work in that field, in that arena. I just never got to the point where I got a high number of subscribers. I got a couple thousand now. I've been monetized for 6 years, but I put in the work. I've made hundreds of videos. I put in the work just doing other things outside of trying to get views. And me noticing all this, it even got me. I've even made a video about YouTube is on easy mode and, you know, this is how you get views. I made a video like that and I didn't get the views. And once I noticed I wasn't getting the views, I'm like, man, let me go back to what I know. And what I know is, do not rely on YouTube to pay you through Google AdSense. That should not be your main focus. That should be the last thing that you think of when you're putting videos out there. I don't care how big your audience is. I don't care if you have 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000. You have all those people who saw a video that you posted on the internet exposing yourself, exposing all your insecurities, exposing how you talk, how you look, doing all that. And they clicked on your video and said, I want to subscribe and see more of that person. Why would you rely on YouTube, Google AdSense to pay you when you've done all that? You've done all the work and you only going to put yourself in a box to get paid from YouTube? To me, that's ridiculous, and I don't know why nobody's talking about this, you know? Maybe because I don't know. I'm not, like I said, no disrespect, but I feel like they're already making money off getting the views, so this is the arena, this is the method, this is the income that this is a low-hanging cherry, the low-hanging fruit. But for everybody else who is small creator, who's not monetized, who's trying to get monetized, come out with, hold on, first off, if you the homie and you like Creative Ventus, link in the description down below for this. It's $30. It smells 85% like Creative Ventus, which is a $400 bottle of cologne. And like I said, it's about 85% of what it smells like. And it's very good. It's very strong. It projects. It smells good. Even if you don't like Aventus, this smells good. It'll be a link in the description down below for that. But anyway, you should come out with a service. You have an audience. If you're a small creator, you're putting in the time and the work, you're editing. I've done it, man. Like I said, I put in the work and I've sold thousands on YouTube. Thousands before I was monetized. Before I went through the process of getting 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours, I was making thousands on YouTube, on Instagram. Go look, do your research on all my videos, man. Like, I've been monetized for 6 years. And even before that, like I said, I've made thousands on YouTube. My Instagram, I have 10,000 followers. I had 10,000 followers when I was active. My name is Mr. 300 on YouTube. That's my tag on Instagram, MR300ON YouTube. Go look at that. Go look at the work. I done posted thousands of times on there, and I've sold thousands of people on Instagram. Like I said, I haven't figured out a way to get a bunch of views and subscribers on YouTube. I'm nice, I'm cool, you know, I'm a small creator, and people, you know, but I've made a lot of money coming out with products and services online, not relying on YouTube AdSense. To me, worrying about Google AdSense, they can demonetize you, they can delete your channel, they can limit you so you can't curse because you think, oh man, this is the algorithm isn't gonna make me, man, I gotta talk this way, or I gotta post, be consistent. Man, F all that, man. If you come out, you have an audience, like I said, you got however many subscribers you have, you got all those people who rock with you. They like you for whatever reason, whatever you did, whatever content you posted. They saw that video and they said, man, I want to see more of this person. I'm going to subscribe. Of course they would buy something from you. If you're making videos on how to cook, why wouldn't you come out with a cookbook? You're already showing people how to cook. You can make a million things, and some people are they want to know exactly how to make this, and they don't want to go to YouTube. They want to have a book where they can just follow the instructions, you know? Why wouldn't you come out with a cookbook? Why would you only cook and then be like, oh man, I'm gonna cook apple pie today because that's the most popular videos and YouTube's gonna pay me because I'm gonna, nah man, come out with something else. Come out with a service. If you're a dad and you posting about, you know, how to raise your kids, why wouldn't you come out with a PDF or a one-on-one service on how to be a better dad? You know, why would you rely on YouTube to pay you when you're doing all the work? All the work, you know? I'll tell you guys another thing, man. Like just a couple of days ago, man, I got a super thanks, and I appreciate you. $14.99, man. I appreciate you, bro. This isn't a thank you video or anything like that. I was gonna hit you directly, and I was gonna do a little bit more. I made another video, but I'll post that later. But I appreciate you. But on a video that I made 5 years ago, 4 years ago, something like that, somebody paid me $5 out of their pocket. Out of their pocket, one of you guys gave me $5. They gave me $5 out of their pocket, their hard-earned money. It was through YouTube though. Guess how much I got paid out of that $5 that the person gave me? It was $4.99. $4.99 super thanks. I got $2.45 from it. I can show you guys on my phone. $2. Somebody took $5 out of their pocket. YouTube took more than half of it and then gave me the pennies. Like, here, you have this. Why would you rely on that? Why would you rely on that? Why wouldn't you come out with some type of service or product where you can get all of it outside of the fees or whatever through Stripe or Shopify or whatever it is? You know, why wouldn't you come out with a service? I don't know why all these people telling you how to get views on YouTube, I don't know why they're not telling you the real way to make money on YouTube. You know, and if you want me to be real, man, a lot of you guys are gonna stay small creators. I'm probably gonna stay a small creator, and I'm cool with that. I don't have to get a whole bunch of views, man. I appreciate what I got right now. I can get like 5 views on a video. I'm still good, like at least one person. There's plenty of times I post a video and that boy be at 0 for hours. So when I get 1 view, 5 views, 10 views, I appreciate that, and that can happen for the rest of my YouTube career. But you better believe I'm gonna have a product or service where those 10 people who watch my video, I'm gonna make those customers somehow. Somehow they gonna reach in their pocket and like, damn, I just wanna buy that, man. He helped me out, he got value, like whatever he's providing, like I want more of that. I'm gonna sell something. Every video that you guys post on YouTube should be a commercial for a product or service that you're creating. You shouldn't worry about the views. The views is cool, still get the views, and I understand, like when I first got monetized, it was a great feeling, like, oh man, I can't wait to get monetized. You know, I got my 1,000 subscribers, my 4,000 watch hours, it's up, it's cool, I'm about to get paid, Google paying me, on my paycheck, look, Google pay. You're still not making any bread. If you're a small creator, even if you get monetized tomorrow, you're not making any bread, unless you're getting thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of views a day. I'm talking about like 20, 30, 40,000 views a day. You're not making any bread on YouTube. You know, you can get your little viral video here. You can get 100 views here, 500 views. You're not making any money even if you monetize. That's cool. It's cool, get monetized and get to that next level. I'm just saying along the way, you should be picking up all the money that you can. Coming out with your own stuff, supporting and providing something to the people who watch your videos because they like you. They like your skills, your personality. They like whatever you're talking about, whatever entertainment, education, whatever it is. You can sell to those people and make money along the way, man, because this is a business, man. The whole goal is to make money, but not be like weird about it throughout the, you know, don't be like a super salesman, you know. But if you post some videos every day, you're consistent, and people rock with you, why wouldn't you give them something else? Why? I've bought plenty of things online from YouTubers, and it just feels different. It feels cool. It feels cool to donate. It feels cool to get something that you know you couldn't get anywhere else, or if you see somebody else with this, you know, oh, you watch who I watch. That's cool. That's cool. Why would you rely only on Google AdSense to get paid when you posting videos exposing your life? People can talk about you. You gotta deal with hate. You gotta deal with people talking about you. All my videos, man, I didn't see hate. I didn't, you know, not the majority of it, but every video I posted where it got a bunch of comments, some of those be hate. You gotta deal with that. I don't care, but it's still, when you first read it, you be like, man, let me, you know, you gotta deal with that, you know? So you gotta deal with all this different shit when you posting videos. Why would you rely on Google to demonetize? Why only Google to pay you when they can demonetize you for saying a curse word? They could demonetize you for not posting for 6 months. They could demonetize you because you reuse content. They could demonetize you for somebody, you know, you had a song in your video, they could demonetize you for a bunch of reasons and just cancel your channel. Why would you believe that to be the only sole income source when you're doing all the work? You know? I think I'm gonna come out with a service, man. I know a lot, like I was there with you guys, man. Like I didn't know, like I was posting videos at the beginning, like, man, I got 100 subscribers. Like, I'm not monetized. I'm just doing it for, you know, what I had to figure out. I had to like look at my channel and audit my channel myself to be like, all right, what do you know? What are you good at? Like, why are you making videos? What's value can you provide to these people? Because F the AdSense, you might not ever get 1,000 subscribers. It's definitely not gonna get 4,000 watch hours. That's what I was thinking when I had no subscribers. Like I was very small. So I came out with ways and products and services so I can get money along the way to make each video worth it, to make each video commercial, to each video that I had about me was about my product, my service, and how it was beneficial to the people watching this video. If I'm posting a video about, like I said, about vacations, why wouldn't I sell a vacation planner? You guys like vacation because you guys are watching the video. Why wouldn't I sell you something else to enhance your vacation? If I know what you like, I know what you like. You obviously watching my videos, so why wouldn't I give you more and provide something where it will be beneficial to you and your money will be beneficial to me? It's a win-win. You know, like I said, I don't know why a lot of these other channels aren't talking about that, and they just solely are expecting views to change your life. That's not it, man. Take it from me, man. Like I said, go do your research on my channel and what I've done, and I've seen it, I've done it, and the views aren't it. The views aren't it, man. I hope you guys get to be a big YouTuber, a big creator, and a big influencer, and get millions of views a day. I hope you do. I hope you do. All I'm saying is, before you get there, you should still make money. You should still make thousands of dollars. You should still be paid for your work. That's all I'm saying, man. And like I said, I'm gonna come out with some type of service. You know, comment down below if you guys, you know, if you think that's a good idea. Even if it's not, man, I'm coming out with it. You know, so I put up shots. You know, so I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you're a small creator, man, come out with a product or service somehow. Don't just rely on Google AdSense to pay you, because even when you get monetized, you're not gonna make any money until you get thousands and thousands of views. And if you're worried about getting monetized, you're working hard to get monetized, that means you're not getting the views, you don't have the subscribers. So even when you cross that path, you get over to the other side of being monetized, it's like you're not monetized, you're still not gonna make no money. You know, it is what it is, man. And like I said, I don't know why more people don't talk about that, man. Just be real, man. And just let you guys know, like, you gotta figure out something else. You know, I don't even see a lot of these other people even trying to provide a service themselves. If I'm telling you how to be good at YouTube, plenty of people would pay $50, $100 for a one-on-one consultation to get better at YouTube, and not give these broad statements on just post more and copy somebody else's titles and do what you love and be consistent and post 10 times a day. Nah, tell me what I gotta do. Look at my channel, tell me what I like. I'm telling you what I like. Look at my channel, tell me what I need to change about the titles. Tell me how long the video should be. Tell me what I need to change, what I need to work on. Tell me what you think, what would you buy from me? Like, I'm gonna provide that, you know? If everybody else don't wanna do it, that's cool. But me, I'm here. Comment down below if you need that help. I'll come out with a website or something where you guys can sign up eventually. I'll make more videos. I just thought about that now, you know? But I'll come out more videos about that. But like, again, if you're a small creator, man, do not rely on Google AdSense. Figure it out. Figure out something else to make money from, you know? I don't know if you knit. I don't know if you take a lot of vacations. I don't know if if you're a mother that's breastfeeding, come out with a pump. I don't know if if you like doing hair, come out with how to do 10 hairstyles. I don't know if you're about fitness, how I got 6-pack abs in 6 weeks, $10. This is my meal plan. This is my routine. You can make videos on it, cool, but figure out another way to make money on top of that, you know? Because people, obviously, they rocking with you. If they watching your videos consistently, they subscribe, they rock with you. So give them more of you. Give them something that is beneficial to both of you guys. Give them value so they can give you value, you know? But anyway, man, I appreciate you guys. Peace out.